Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have QCY H2 headphones and I'm going to show you how to pair them with your application. At first open this application, then hit agree. Here you have to hit next, turn off electricity optimization, go to settings, and now as it said in our application, we have to give the pop-up in the background permission. So we have to find our application, QCY, allow display over the other apps. Now we have to go back and now we have to log in. So wait a moment. And now we are in our application. As you can see here we have notification, please pair with searching device to connect. We have to tap on it, and now we have to hit allow button. Now we have to tap add device, and as you can see here we have our H2 headphones. We have to tap on it, and now we are connected. That's it, hope it helps you, goodbye!